Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Cool Guy 2091 here, a vision or whatever you want to call me. And today, look, we're doing another reaction video, and this time it's gonna be to a brand new artist, Sharon Regis. Hopefully I said that right. I'm sorry if I didn't. Okay, you know, as long as I tried, you know, that's what's important. Sings Come In Out of the Rain live on Wish 107.5 Bus. We have met / introduced to so many artists. I've said this before when I was doing the Darren Espanto for the first time. Absolutely incredible, by the way. And we got introduced to him. And I don't know, I've already said before, and I'll say it again, I think it's a cool idea on the bus, you know, on the way. People see it on the road. I think it's cool. But hey, you know, people have their opinions. Some people may not even think it's cool. I don't know why you would think that, but I don't know. I think it's cool. And I don't know. Sharon Regis singing Coming Out of the Rain. I don't know if I've heard that song, but all I do know is I am excited to hear this artist for the first time. I have never heard her before. So hey, without further ado, let's just please get into this reaction. Let's go.
Wish 107.5.
You believed that we'd find love together happily. After all the wrong of done, you feel that I'm still the one to give you loving to. So bring it home to you. You told me that you love me if I never changed. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey, hey. Here's a place, your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on and out of the rain.
Oh man, what a beautiful voice. Wow.
I loved no one but you, but I strayed. I know I made you blue. You spoke into my very soul. You warmed my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know. No, no, no. You
I love that.
1075.
You know, something is like super unique, I think, about the way that she sings. It's more of like a soft spoken, yet so much range in her voice. Something that like exemplifies that, you know what I mean? But the soft spoken part of it, you could tell she seems like she's a soft spoken type of person. But then when they sing, you can kind of tell that she is soft spoken, but the range in that voice and like the emotion that she has when she's singing, it really comes out, and it's honestly just incredible. The fact that she can even just do that, and it, you know, like smiling through it, and it's just beautiful. The way that she sung that, it really like made the song just feel that much better. The lyrics and just the beautiful, like just everything in general, I feel went perfectly together. And that's just like, for the first time ever hearing her, I'm in awe, man. That was beautiful. Like, I felt like captivated the entire time. I felt like, you know, I couldn't take my eyes off of it. I wanted to hear, like, oh my God, there's more, and there's more, and there's more. There's more to the voice. There's more depth to it. And I find that beautiful, man. This is like why I do this. This is like music. This is art. It's beautiful. Every time people would just see it, you know, like inside this box as just like, you know, just people sing, that's it. For me, I see something different every single time. When somebody is singing, I see something different every time. I hear a little something different. I hear something here, something here. You know, maybe a little bit of a soft spoken, a little bit different, a little bit like Elvis Presley, a little bit of this, a little bit of everything is just so unique. Everything feels so different every time. And that's why I love doing this, man. This is the beauty of art, you know. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, man. And man, this goes to show what a beautiful, beautiful song. Honestly, it's just pure art. I feel like, I don't know, man, this made me feel like really good inside. Like the way that she sung, it really felt like I experienced something completely different. Even if it's not the same for you guys, I don't know. I'm just letting you know how I felt. And it was just beautiful. It was really beautiful. Now, speaking of beautiful, that's you guys. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace.